Today we'll see formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions. Okay, let us take one problem on that. Z is equal to f of x square plus y square. Here f is the arbitrary function, and to write the solution you take problem as equation number 1 and differentiate 1 partially with respect to x and y. Okay, so beginning we'll take partial differentiation with respect to x. Okay, so LHS becomes del z by del x, nothing but p, and in the RHS differentiation of f of x with respect to x to be written as f dash of x. Okay, and then by chain rule differentiation of x square to be written as 2x, and differentiation of y square will be 0 as y is a constant with respect to when you differentiate with respect to x. Okay, and now case 2, partial differentiation of 1 with respect to y. So LHS becomes del z by del y, nothing but q, and in the RHS differentiation of f of x is f dash of x, and by chain rule differentiation of this these two terms inside the bracket to be done, and differentiation with respect to y is taken, so x will be constant, differentiation of constant is 0, and differentiation of y square is 2y, and calling these two as 2 and 3. And now you are observing f is present in the RHS. Okay, so in both the RHS equation 2 and 3. So easily you can divide 2 by 3 to cancel this f, that is arbitrary function. So when you take 2 divided by 3, you will get p by q is equal to, after cancelling f dash you will get 2x divided by 2y, on cancelling 2 you will get x divided by y. So on cross multiplication you will get py minus qx equal to 0. Second problem, z is equal to y square plus 2 f of 1 by x plus log y, and calling the problem as 1 and differentiating 1 partially with respect to x and y to be taken. Okay, so first case is partial differentiation with respect to x. So LHS is del z by del x, nothing but p, and with respect to x we are differentiating, so y will be constant, differentiation of constant will be 0, and 2 as it is, differentiation of f of x will be f dash of x, and by chain rule differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and differentiation of constant is 0. And now partial differentiation of 1 with respect to y, where x is constant. Okay, so LHS is del z by del y, nothing but q, and in the RHS differentiation of y square with respect to y is 2y, and 2 plus as it is, 2 as it is, differentiation of f of x is, the function is f dash of 1 by x plus log y, and with respect to y x is constant, so differentiation of 1 by x is 0, and differentiation of log y is 1 by y. Okay, and now simplify these two expressions. In the first expression you have x square in the denominator, so you are cross multiplying this x square to LHS and writing it as px square, and remaining terms as it is with the sign. Okay, calling this as 2, and in the second expression you are transposing this 2y to left hand side first, q minus 2y, and then in the second term you can observe 1 by y is there, so you can cross multiply this y to LHS. So LHS will be qy minus 2y square, and remaining terms in the RHS will be as it is, and you are calling that as equation number 3. And now again you can observe f dash is present in the RHS of equation 2 and 3, so easily by division you can cancel f dash. Okay, so take 2 divided by 3, so left hand side you write px square divided by qy minus 2y square, and in the RHS after cancelling f dash and 2 you will get minus 1, and now cross multiply, transpose qy to get the answer px square plus qy is equal to 2y square. Problem 3, z is equal to x into f of y plus y into g of x. Okay, so calling the problem as 1 and taking partial differentiation of 1 with respect to x. So left hand side will be p is equal to differentiation of x is 1, f of y constant as it is, plus y as it is, differentiation of g of x is g dash of x. Okay, next line you are considering partial differentiation of 1 with respect to y, treating x as constant, and now left hand side is del z by del y, nothing but q, and in the RHS x will be constant as it is. Differentiation of f of y with respect to y is f dash of y plus y g of x constant as it is. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. And next, and here in these two expressions you can easily observe two functions are there, and you cannot remove both the functions by using only these two. Okay, so you need to think of other derivatives you already know. So after pq we have mentioned r, s, t. Okay, so in r and t, if you consider double derivative with respect to x and with respect to y, for example, here double derivative of p, this expression will be, one more differentiation if you do, you will get with respect to x, this term will be constant, so the f of y will be constant, so differentiation will be 0, and here you will get g double dash of x. And if you find out the differentiation for second line, here you will get with respect to y, you will get f double dash of y, and this will be 0, second term will be 0. So totally you will get in r and t double derivative of f and g. Okay, so that also you cannot remove by using p, q, r, t. Okay, so you need to consider s. S is nothing but z y x, meaning del square z by del y del x. Okay, so del z by del x is p. So you need to find out the differentiation of p with respect to y. Okay, so with respect to y, if you write the answer, left hand side will, I mean, as s you are taking, so differentiation of f of y is f dash of y, okay, plus as it is g dash of x is as it is as a constant. Differentiation of p with respect to y is 1, so you will get s nothing but z y x f dash of y plus g dash of x. And now you need to substitute f dash of y plus g dash of x as these two. By using the previous lines, you are substituting g dash of x and f dash of y. So after substitution, take LCM, cross multiply this xy to left hand side, and in the RHS write px as it is, qy as it is, and in second term and fourth term you take minus common, so the terms inside the bracket will be z. Okay, so x into f of y plus y into g of x. So totally it will be in the RHS px plus qy minus z. So on transposing these terms to left hand side, you will get the PDE. Okay.